Informing the design of a robotic coach through systematic observations. This is a late-breaking report written by myself, Martin Ross, and my PhD supervisors Frank Bros and Lynn Bailey of Heriot-Watt University. The overall aim of this work was to explore the motivational behaviours used by professional sports coaches in one-to-one scenarios, with the end goal of creating a robotic coach capable of similar behaviour. The motivation behind this work is that repetitive task-specific exercises used in situations such as high-performance sport or in physical rehabilitation in the long term can be very boring and frustrating for those that need them. So a robot put into a scenario like this could have the potential to increase adherence and therefore performance in these situations. So in this work, we observed 8 professional squash coaches, each conducting 2 individual coaching sessions using this observation instrument. It allows us to gather data on the behaviours used by the coach and the order in which those behaviours occur. So analysing the results, we found that all coaches use a lot of praise and positive concurrent instruction, and all of them used a lot more positive behaviours than negative behaviours. There were differences between the coaches though, particularly in their use of questioning and positive and negative modelling. These differences can also be seen in the behaviour graphs we created, which are here. These are basically just MDPs built from the data we gathered and show a flow through the coaching session. The next step of this work will be to cluster these behaviour graphs into coaching styles, from which we can learn a reward function for each style to implement into a robotic coach.